50 students from our summer youth program participated in Zero Robotics, a nationwide competition in collaboration with MIT, NASA, and ISS. They learned the basics of computer programming and space engineering. And guess what? They made it to the finals.
So Zero Robotics is a 5-week STEM program that introduces the basics of coding to kids. So they'll learn how to code, they'll learn about like variables, some math, graphing things. So we're partnered with 3 more teams, and together that makes one alliance. And there's 10 other alliances competing. So we submit our best code that we work together, and then that code competes against the other alliances. It's a good stepping stone to learn. Yeah, so a lot of these kids, you know, they're barely learning, they're brand new, and even myself, I was brand new to it, and I learned a lot from this program too.
We go on the computers and we watch like these videos and these slideshows on how to do it, and we kind of like take steps on it, and it guides us into learning it.
We've been learning to like code and to move the satellite around. So I just like experimented in different codes, and now it works. I had fun working with the team. Like to watch videos together, or like put the code together and like collaborate together. I mean, it feels very good because like our achievements have been like rewarded. And yeah, now we get to go to TechPort.
So we're here at the Boeing Port Tech Center here at SAMSAT, viewing the live stream for the Zero Robotics. So the kids are able to see their live code being run on the Luna Bee in space on the ISS with the astronaut running the code itself. The astronaut, Woody, he gave us a shout out. It was really cool seeing the robot actually do what we've been working so hard on for the last 5 weeks. The kids were so excited. Even though they got here at 6 a.m., they were just so pumped to see the robot in action.
Being here today watching an astronaut control or program that we made into a robot makes me feel really awesome. And it makes me feel proud about my teammate because we work together to make something into space. My experience with the community center was really positive. I met a lot of friends and made some old friends too. And I just had a lot of fun.
For more information, visit our website and follow us on social media.